Hello and welcome to Spirit Forest. We have hit what we think is a trailhead. There's like nobody here. That is the car that I'm driving this week. We are in New Mexico right now and we are going to take you on a hike. So I got Madison with me right now and Kyla is with my aunt, and if you haven't met my aunt, go meet her. She was on my last video, so go check it out. She's a wonderful person. And so we're again what we think might be a trailhead. We don't know, but we're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna take you around New Mexico. We are in the mountains of New Mexico. We are not in the plains, so it doesn't look as much desert-like, but it is still very dry in this area. So we're just gonna go hike a little bit, chat with you, and hope you join us. Check out these trees. These are huge. Okay, Madison, go stand in front of that one so it gives them perspective of how big this pine tree is. That is crazy. It's just a little tree. Yeah. Is this a trail or is this? Okay. We're gonna have to figure out where we are. We do have our nice friendly bears in this area, and we have a nice friendly mountain lion.
Kitty.
Little kitty.
Kitty.
Okay, so the map shows that there's a trail back here. Let's get over there. Okay, just for those that don't know, I am visiting New Mexico. I do have family here in this area, and they're off to church right now, and I am in my own church here in the wilderness, and it's just beautiful. In fact, I've never been on this trail before. As you could tell, I was like, where is the trail? So I think it's really kind of cool to be here and to explore this new area with you. We are, let's see, how do I explain this? Have you been to Albuquerque? That's pretty much where we are. If you see the big mountains in Albuquerque, we are in those mountains near Albuquerque. So, and we're currently right now about 7,000 feet above sea level, so lower than Spirit Forest, but higher than the Denver area. I want to put a special thanks to Dennis for my new knife. If you haven't seen my knife video, go check it out. I got a ton of knives for you to look at. But I got a new one to my collection, and I brought it on this hike, and I want to show it to you. Let me get it out. There we go. It's a Bark River knife, and he knows that my favorite color is the blue turquoise look. It is not a Scandi grind. I forgot what you call this grind right here, but this is very unique. I don't have a knife like this, so it is kind of nice to have out here. Maybe we try to attempt a little feather stick while we're out here with this knife. It'd be the first time I've used it. This is the first time taking this knife out. It is very beautiful and a bit small too, so it's a bit small in my hands, and it also comes with this sleeve as well. So Madison, let's attempt a feather stick. Let's go find a stick.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I found a really cool stick for us to try a feather stick on. So let's try this brand new knife I have. Ooh. You want to try it, Madison? Look how nice that is.
Wow, that's super nice.
I'm putting like no pressure at all. This is very nice. Very sharp. I'm pushing a little bit more just to see how thick I can go.
Wow, those are some
It's not bad at all.
Not bad.
I like it. Cool. Dennis, thank you very much. Loving my new knife. I actually did live in New Mexico for a little bit. Probably for about a year, I think it was. I graduated high school in this area. And I think my daughter's allergic to New Mexico. She's not doing so good. She got some serious allergies going on. But so we'll probably have to head back here soon. But poor thing. And she's allergic to kitties.
You know, I have asthma.
Yeah. And my aunt has a kitty. So Madison's been doing not as good as her normal self. So I kind of feel for her. But she's a trooper. I asked her if she wanted to turn around. She says yes and no. So we're going to continue a little bit more. Yeah, you're a trooper, Madison.
I'm like, yes, I do, but I still want to go.
Yeah. So let's continue just a little bit further here, see what we can find. Bye-bye, butterfly. So it seems really, really dry here, except in this area, because I'm like shocked by all the green that I'm seeing here. It's pretty cool, but I'm surprised by it. Sorry, I thought I heard a rattlesnake. I didn't though. Yeah, I gotta watch out for snakes here. Oh, we got a switchback. Like I said before, I graduated high school here in New Mexico, and I don't usually come down to New Mexico that often. It has some bad feelings during that time. There was a lot of struggle and stuff for me, so every time I come to New Mexico, I get that kind of weird feeling. You know what I mean? I get that kind of feeling where you're just like, I don't want to be here. But I do have to admit that this trail is really nice, and I love my aunt. I really do. I love my aunt, and I don't know how much time she has left, and I want to be able to spend more time with her. And it is nice that I can come into the wilderness like this, and to me, it doesn't feel like the New Mexico that I know of the desert and the dry and a lot of the changes in my life. This really feels more like home to me, so it is really nice, and I do hope to visit my aunt more, and I can take you on some more trails. Madison, who's behind the camera, thank you, Madison.
You're welcome.
She is not feeling so good. She's got some serious allergies going on, so she's struggling a little bit, so we're going to end up heading back to the car. We're going to start turning around and heading back to the car. But I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to thank you for joining me, and those places that you feel that, you know, those spots where you just don't like, or those times in your life that are just really tough, sometimes you can still find beauty in it. And I found this forest, and I think it's just really beautiful here, and it makes me want to come back. So thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.